आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So our question is, if omega is not equal to 1 is a cube root of unity and 1 plus omega to the power 7 is equal to a plus b omega, then we need to find a and b. Now we know that if it is a cube root of unity, so this is what 1 plus omega square will be 0. Okay, so this thing can be written as what? Minus omega square to the power 7 a plus b omega. Okay, so this thing will be what we can say, this thing will be minus of, this will be root omega to the power 14 is equal to a plus b omega. Now we know one thing also, that omega cube is equal to what? 1. So this thing can be written as what? Minus omega, and omega 3 to the power what? 4 omega square will be what? A plus b omega. Okay, so this thing can be written as what? This thing is 1 and this is what? Minus omega square is equal to a plus b omega. Now this b omega can be written as what? Minus omega square can be written as what? 1 plus omega. That means a plus b omega. That means a is equal to what? A is equal to 1 and b is equal to also 1. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।